In this video, I'm going to be opening this mystery box. It's a £50 mystery box from Pete's Mertch. Check it out in a minute. Hello, welcome back to Lee's Tech Room, and like I said on the intro, this is the mystery box from Pete's Mertch. What they do is they have different categories, but they're going to be starting that later on. What they've got at the moment is a £25 mystery box and a £50 mystery box. This is the £50. It's massive. I can't believe how big this is. This is a multi-category mystery box. What they're going to be doing in the future is going to be introducing categories, so you can order whichever category you want to do. So let's get straight into this, because I'm sure you want to see what's in it. Got my trusty knife, and I really want to see what's in it as well. So yeah, like I said, this is the £50 one, so there's multiple types of things in here, and hopefully there's going to be some good stuff. It's really well packaged. Oops, I've ruined the box. Gosh, yeah, nothing was going anywhere in this box. Didn't take very long to get here either. Really good delivery service, even though the postal service was on strike during it. Whoa, loads of stuff. Okay, let's do one thing at a time. I'll put a knife away because let's start off with this one item here. I think I'll take one out and then I'll close it up so I won't get a surprise as well. These look like a pair of shoes. How'd you open it?
It's a blanket, isn't it?
That.
Basket.
Is it a basket? Is it? Oh yeah. Wow. That'll I think my mum will like this. My goodness. Is that like a, what would you use that for? Does it say on the side there?
Blushes.
Blushes. You put blushes in it. Wow, there's no handles on it. It's just okay. It's not tech, but like I said, it's a multi-category box. So okay, interesting. I'll put that over there. I can put, I don't know, stuff in it. I'll put that in the rubbish pile. I'm just going to put my hand in and take out what feels like a book. Oh, Christmas. Oh, I've got two things. What is that? Merry Christmas. 24 pieces Christmas. I don't know what it is. The boxes. Oh, they're just Christmas boxes. They're in the bag again. So they're just wrapping boxes for Christmas. Could be handy. It is Christmas soon. All right, let's put it in the bag. No, I'll put it over there so we can see it all. And
Oh wow.
Who even is that?
It's Putin.
Is it? Oh, of course it is. Why would you wear that?
I think we should put it on and do.
Surely no one's going to wear it. Shall I wear it? Shall I put it on?
Yeah, select the next package.
Whilst wearing it. Is that okay to do?
Maybe not.
Considering what's going on? I don't think I will. There's a little box. AirPods. Not Apple AirPods. They're Caseology AirPods. They feel really light. But we're looking at tech now, so that's cool. Oh. You gotta make it. Oh, hang on. Is it just a case? Oh, I see. It's just a case. It's an AirPods case. So you, it's a carabiner in there. So what's called, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, so it just goes onto the bottom of the AirPods and the top of the AirPods. So it just fixes together, and you put the carabiner like so, and then that fixes onto the top of it on the lid, and then so that's cool. But I don't have one, so I can't comment on the quality of it. Well, actually, I can. It's really thick rubber. I suppose if you drop your AirPods, you ain't going to break them with this thing on it. Definitely. So that's Caseology AirPods 2021. Yeah, I like it. Shove that back in there. That's cool. It's not bad, is it? I mean, okay, just a bigger box. Ooh. I just read what it is. Another Christmas thing.
Oh.
1 million Christmas lights. Wow. There's actually 100,000 billion in there.
I am not unwinding those.
Doesn't say how many. That's a shame. How many is on there? Lots. Okay, well, I don't even know if they're coloured or... It just says Christmas net lights, mesh light, in wall, bushes, hedge, white.
Oh, it's a mesh one, so it might be a...
Oh, so it's the old,
like
a hangy thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we decided that we're not going to have a tree this year, didn't we? We're just going to have a Lego tree instead. Is this all going to be Christmas? I hope not. Coated mattress protector. Okay, cool. I'll put that in the bag. Box thing. Oh, that feels hard. What's that? Oh, I can't get to it yet. Nibbling, teething tummy clip.
Oh.
That could be good for your friend Carly if she wants it. I mean, I'm not going to have any use for it. Cool, okay. We need something a bit more techie, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't feel techie. It is a... I don't know.
Hat with it. Oh, what's that? Oh, is that cushion?
Oh yeah, cushion covers. Oh. Very small cushion covers though. But they're a nice feeling material.
Soft. Well, by your own admission, we've got enough cushions.
We have loads of cushions. As you can probably see. Ah, something else soft. I don't know.
Christmas thing.
Yeah, this is all Christmas. It's a shame. Because I was hoping there was going to be more tech in it. Because, well, you know, the tech... What exactly is this? Oh, it's just a little stocking.
Bags. Oh, okay.
Oh, is it a bag? I suppose it's a bag, isn't it? Yeah. Well, is it a bag or a stocking?
Christmas box.
Sort of like foreign-y stuff. Okay, let's try something on the other side. Oh, what's this box?
In a box, in a box. Where's your knife?
Mystery. I can't get in. Dun, 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 dun. What? That's alright if you like doing gardening.
Oh.
I do not. So, yeah, cool. they're planting pots, I think, so it's not really for me. I'm not going to look at what it says. It's a rod of some sort. Hang on, it's really... It's really soft. It feels like soft plastic. Hey?
What could be? Oh.
Was there a picture?
I don't know. Oh. Joker poster.
The Joker, October the 4th. It's
2021.
a bit old, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's not going greatly so far, I've got to be honest. I appreciate it and everything, but what is this? This has got... It's an eye mask with earbuds.
Handy Ziploc bag.
They've all got bags, and it comes in the bag as well. It's really soft. I don't know if I ever wear it though.
Avocados on it.
Maybe. Okay, and there are earbuds as well. Okay, that's interesting. Everything's really interesting what they've chosen to put in here. What is this?
In a hoop bag.
No, it's not quite. Is it a cushion? Oh,
Is it a dog bed?
Dog bed. That's actually really nice and soft.
I give it to Abby if she's got a cat.
Oh yeah, it's a good bag though. It has got a Hoover thing on it.
Hoover thing. Good size.
Oh,
Oh wow.
so what?
Rocket.
We wanted to get one of these, didn't we? At some point, we never really got round to it. So that's quite cool. I can't get into it.
Oh wow.
Gosh, it's a beast, isn't it? What is it? Got something on it. It's a bit. It needs a wash.
Oh, is it used?
No, it's just got sticky stuff on it where there was like a label or something, I suppose.
Oh, what brand is it?
Professional Ultimate Carbon Steel Cookware. SQ. I mean, it's pretty good, isn't it? Alright, so that's probably the best thing so far. Let's put that over there. Okay. Oh, what's this? Dickens, is that? Plastic wallets. A4 plastic wallets. It's okay if you like that sort of thing. I'm just going to look at it now. Oh my goodness me.
It looks like a mouse guard.
Retractable vampire fangs.
Now put them on.
I suppose I'm going to have to, aren't I? I've seen this actually on Facebook. I've seen people wearing them and they just go rah, like that and the fangs come out. Oh no. I assume no one's worn these already.
Oh, that's a good point. Give them a sniff.
I don't know. Oh right, so you put your teeth like that. And then does that work?
Yeah.
Hi. It's not working now, is it?
No. Moving on.
Anyway, that could be quite cool if you can get it to work properly. There's some straws, which is always helpful if you want to drink through a straw. Oh my.
Oh, it's a swimming aid. How random.
It's a shark, isn't it? Why would you have that as a swimming aid? It's a shark. Hey ho, never mind. What is oh, case for a. I can't read what it says. It's really bad. New case. I don't know what phone it's for. Don't think it's for mine. Oh, actually. No, it's not for mine. It's a clear case. It's really hard to see what that says. I think it's Samsung Galaxy something or other. Anyway. This is a memory foam clean mat. Memory foam. Yeah, that's the bottom of it, isn't it? By the way, doggy thing. Gonna have to try it out. Oh, God, it's very nice. I can stand on this for the rest of the day. Yeah, okay, I like that. That's cool. What was this? See, they've all got them. These have all been bought from this particular company because they've all got the same bags, haven't they? Unless they're just using all these bags up. I don't know. Oh, it's a little box, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
That's unfolded. I think. Oh, look at all that.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, so it's a... You put a lid on it?
Yeah. We've got a rigid thing to make it rigid, or?
No.
Pretty cool though.
Yeah, it's a nice idea. But yeah, it was a shame it needs something else to go in there to make it... Well, rigid, like you said. Okay. That's all right. I don't know what that was. Oops, might have just broken it. Unframed wall art. It feels like it's a mouse mat.
Flimsy. Oh, like pictures.
Sort of like
Is it anime, is it? Or
like
manga?
anime, yeah. Oh no, yeah, is it manga? I don't know. Don't know these things very well. Quite cool though. I like them. Okay, that's cool. What was the thing I just dropped? Oh,
What's that?
stones and rocks and stuff.
Interesting. Oh, cool. There's little chips and rose quartz
Yeah.
and amethyst. What's it say?
Crystal therapy. Lego Ninjago season 2. We're into our Lego at the moment, but not Ninjago. But anyway, what is this? Oh, I know exactly what this is. So I got one down there.
Okay.
It's the back stretcher, isn't it? Oh, waist relax mate.
Relax, mate.
The back box is a little bit knackered, but where's the 2 straps? Yep, I know exactly what that does because it's that, basically.
How weird.
He already has one, but that's Luke's, so I can give it back to him now.
Yeah.
Anything else? Party decor.
Something.
Painting, yes. And ritual stones in a bag.
Stone.
Ritual. Oh, more of those things.
Oh, cool.
And
Oh, wow. Oh, I like the look of those.
they're quite cool, aren't they? Interesting. Make a good sound as well.
Yeah.
And that, I believe, is everything. Just the bag in there. So that's it. That is the unboxing of this £50 multi-category mystery box. Unfortunately, nothing really techie. The nearest thing I've got is the AirPods case. There's nothing electrical at all, really, or techie. I mean, the Christmas lights, but we got 1,000 more of those Christmas lights anyway, haven't we, on the tree? Yeah. I don't know. What would you use? What's your favourite thing out of this lot?
I don't know.
Have you seen
I like
Ninjago
the
before?
basket, to be honest.
The basket, yeah.
It's quite handy.
There's no handles on it though, which is a bit of a shame. It's missing that. That's so strange. So that'll be handy for Christmas boxes and presents and stuff. Okay, so that's it. That's the unboxing. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you later. Bye.